Welcome back to the channel. So it's actually Friday today, so that's good. I've been waiting for the weekend. Got a few plans, weekend plans and all that, but before I get into that, I'm gonna wash this dirty car and then gonna do a photo shoot with my homie Justin. So this is actually gonna be the first photo shoot of, well, no, not the first one. I had a little one when I was filming my homie's Miata. That's a build video that's on the channel. I think it was about a month and a half ago. But anyways, this is gonna be, I guess, the first legit photo shoot, one that was planned. And it's gonna be with my homie Justin. He takes a lot of great shots. I'm gonna have his link in the description below. But yeah, I'm excited to get there, but not too excited about the traffic. But at least it's the weekend. I've been waiting for the weekend because I've been working 50-hour weeks, and honestly I've just been so burnt out that I need a break. So this will be a good start to the weekend. All right, do not try this at home. Also, I know my windshield's dirty, that's why we got to go to the wash, but we're trying to get some rollers. Let's see, do not try this at home. This is very dangerous. Just made it to the second location. I'm using the self-service car wash. It's the most convenient, especially if you're not washing at home. So let me know if you guys use this kind of car wash and if you like it. But look how dirty the car is. Behind the scenes action of the shots. Alright, so it's rinsing time. This is my favorite part of the car washing because typically the stream is really strong and you can see the dirt just basically getting disintegrated away. But this is what the knobs look like if you've never been to an auto car wash. Alright, so my time has run out, and typically people dry their car, but I have no drying supplies, so I'm actually just gonna drive off, get some gas, and hopefully the car dries off through driving. But hopefully you guys like that little random video of the Accord's first photo shoot, and then, you know, a little bit of a car wash shoot as well. But I'll see you guys in the next upload.